Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on a dance move that is called the butterfly. It's actually a super popular dance move that I didn't know the name of until now. Now, if you have some chairs, go grab them and then put them like this, because that'll help take off some of the weight when you're practicing. Alright, then you can do things very slowly. Alright, but make sure that that's not too far apart, because or else you'll just fall down. Alright, so keep them here and then let's practice. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so once you've brought out some chairs, what you want to do is start like this, alright? So your toes are pointing inwards, and then what you want to do is just practice saying your right foot is going up on your heel, flicking your toes up to the side, alright? Pretty simple. I went from here to here. Now the left is gonna go, just place it next to it, alright? On my toe, okay? So let's just go back to the first position here, alright? Toes pointing inwards. Now we want to do whoop, whoop. Let's just try that a few times. Go back, boom. Move this one, move the other one. Go back, again. Now try to do it at the same time. Whoop, again, whoop, again, whoop. Okay? Now what I want you to do is try and jump. Boom. Now remember, if you have the chairs, you can take off some of the weight, alright? So you can go jump, and then you want to go move. Again, jump, back, move. Now you don't have to exaggerate this, alright? You can just do it like this. You don't need to have it inwards like this, alright? So from here, move it, jump back, boom. Jump back, boom. Jump back, and then you just keep practicing, slowly getting faster and faster, okay? Then just show it from the side as well. So what I'm doing is I'm going from here, I'm going one, jump back, one, jump back, one. Now from the other side, starting from here, I'm going one, jump back, one, jump back, boom, jump back, boom. So just start slow, and then you can increase the speed. So you go faster, 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 faster. Now again, you don't need to exaggerate the jump and this part, alright? You can just do subtle, hey, 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 hey. So when we zoom out a bit, it's gonna look like this. Jump, hey, jump, hey, jump, hey, jump, hey, hey. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.